How to share music in Instagram DMs. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device and then check on the latest version of the Instagram application. So as you can see on the Play Store, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So we're going to tap on open. So as you do that, it will land us to the application of Instagram. So make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on the DM section at the top right corner. Select the profile that you'd want to send or share the music over here. Now when you want to share the music in Instagram DM, simply you can tap on this option of sticker over here at the bottom of the screen. So tap on it and here you can get a new feature of music. So just tap on music and here you can search for any of the music that you'd want to send. So I'm going to select on one of these and then there you go. You have shared your music in Instagram DMs. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.